Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New. If you want to start a new project, click to the new project button, but the project section you can find your old projects. Here you can find different tools, but if you don't know how to make a good project, go to the how to edit button at the lower side of the screen, and here you can find tutorials about the basic editing, intro and animated text, stunning effects, Hollywood green screen, picture in picture, speed and filter, and music and sound. And if you select one, for example the click to the basic editing, you can find tutorials. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.